OMNIplus has developed a variety of service contracts so that you can easily choose the best service for your bus or coach. The service contracts may be concluded directly upon purchase of the vehicles, but are also available afterwards, of course. Our service contracts are available for all Mercedes-Benz and Setra diesel buses. There are 6 contracts to choose from: Basic, Basic Plus, Premium Regional, Premium, Premium Regional Dynamic, and Premium Dynamic. Vehicle maintenance in accordance with the manufacturer's specifications is included with all contracts. Basic Plus also includes repairs and replacement of specific wear components. With Premium Regional, you receive repairs to the entire vehicle from up to 2 regional service partners. The Premium Service Contract, in addition to all benefits mentioned, includes cost guarantee in the event of a breakdown, including 24-hour service and OMNIplus on uptime. The 24-hour service gives you peace of mind around the clock throughout Europe. And thanks to OMNIplus on uptime, the intelligent vehicle diagnostic system, you always have all the relevant vehicle data at your fingertips. OMNIplus on uptime can be added as an option to Basic Plus and Premium Regional at favorable conditions. Professional tire service and statutory inspections can also be booked easily as required. Thanks to fixed price packages and consistent rates, the term and range of benefits can be tailored individually. You can choose between a monthly fee or a one-off payment. A dynamic variant is also available for the Premium and Premium Regional Service contracts. In these versions, you benefit from dynamic monthly installments that are adjusted according to the mileage covered by your vehicles. Costs associated with repair and maintenance are covered at all times within the scope of services you choose. The work on the vehicle is carried out by an authorized service partner. All invoices are handled directly by Daimler buses, so you know you can rely on professional service with full cost control and just concentrate on your main business.